Level talks are just a few days away, but provocations continue from the Pakistan side. Ceasefire violations or the extension of an invitation to separatists. Government of India says that terror and ways to prevent it will be the focus.
Dates for India and Pakistan NSA level talks are just days away, but ceasefire violations by India's neighbour go on ceaselessly. The National Security Advisors of India and Pakistan are scheduled to meet in New Delhi on the 23rd of August. While Pakistan has invited separatists ahead of the NSA-level talks, India has asserted that the agenda for talks will only be terror and ways to prevent it.
ऊफा में जो भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और पाकिस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नवाज शरीफ की बातचीत के बाद जो एग्रीमेंट आया था, उसमें दो तीन बातें आई थी, जिसको पाकिस्तान के विदेश सचिव और भारत के विदेश सचिव ने पढ़कर टीवी पर सुनाया था। और उसी में पहली बात थी कि नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर दोनों देशों के आतंकवाद पर बात करेंगे और जो वॉइस सैंपल्स हैं उसका एक्सचेंज के बारे में भी बातचीत करेंगे। तो ये बातचीत सिर्फ आतंकवाद पर है।
पाकिस्तान इस एजेंडे को डिरेल करना चाहता है और हमने भारत में स्पष्ट रूप से कहा है और दुनिया को कहा है, आतंकवाद और बातचीत साथ साथ नहीं चलेगा, लेकिन आतंकवाद पर पाकिस्तान के साथ बातचीत चलेगा। तो इसमें हमारी कोई दोहरी नीति नहीं है, हम स्पष्ट हैं।
Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mufti Mohammad Saeed has backed the terror focus in the agenda of the talks and expressed hope of a successful exchange.
मेरी उम्मीद है और मेरा कहना है, खुदा करे जो ये मीटिंग हो, it will make a breakthrough.
On Thursday, Pakistan's ceasefire violations were directed at border posts in Samba district, drawing strong retaliation from BSF troops. On Thursday, Pakistan's ceasefire violations were directed at border posts in the Samba district, drawing strong retaliation from BSF troops. Wednesday saw Pakistan's forces directing heavy fire, including 120 mm, 82 mm and 60 mm mortar shells in the Menda and Hamirpur sectors in Poonch district, and these unprovoked violations were effectively countered by Indian braves as well. Pakistan has committed 51 ceasefire violations in August alone, taking the total to 245 this year so far. India and Pakistan continue to trade amidst the crossfire, but ceasefire violations have made life tough for villagers in border areas. All eyes are now on the NSA-level talks with hope that Pakistan will see reason in curbing terror and violence and give relief to the people caught in the crossfire on the border. With Ashwini Mishra in Poonch, Newsnight Desk, DD News.